The Colosseum in Rome, an architectural marvel, wasn't originally called the Colosseum. Its true name was the Flavian Amphitheatre, named after the Flavian dynasty emperors who built it. Construction began around 70-72 AD under Emperor Vespasian, and was completed in 80 AD by his son, Titus. This massive arena could host an astonishing 50,000 to 80,000 spectators for its grand spectacles. Below its wooden floor lay the Hypogeum, a complex two-story underground network of tunnels and cages. This intricate system housed gladiators, animals, and stage props, lifted to the arena floor via trapdoors and pulleys. Imagine! The Colosseum was even flooded for mock naval battles called naval, though this remains debated by some historians. Over 9,000 animals were reportedly killed in the inaugural games alone, showcasing the Romans' love for exotic beasts. Despite centuries of earthquakes and stone robbers, over 2/3 of the original Colosseum has been destroyed, yet it still stands. Today, it's a powerful symbol of imperial Rome, and one of the world's most iconic landmarks, attracting millions annually.